Good morning, everyone. My name is Srushti Adhikari. I am from N2 section. My today's my shop talk topic is data logging. So, what is data logging? Data logging is a terms data logging is a terms refer to collecting and gathering the data over a period of a time. A data logger is a device that can be used to store and retrieve the data. Data logger is a capture, measure, and analyze a physical phenomena from the real world. Light, temperature, and pressure are the main example of a different type of a signals of data. Data logger can be measured. A data logger is a often handheld battery operated device which has a large amount of a memory. This is the image of a data logger. This is a block diagram of a data logger. This is the two sensor in use. First voltage and current sensor. ADC is the analog to digital converter. Microcontroller is a small computer of a integrated circuit chip. This is the storage and to our display. Application of a data logging in a unattended recording weather station of a record parameters like temperature, white direction, solar radiation, and relative humidity to recording the soil moisture level. Advantages of a data logging. Data logging can be used to remove the dangerous situation. Data logger can be carried out 24 hours day 365 days of a year. No need have person present. And disadvantages of a data logging. If the data logging equipments break down the malfunction, some data could be lost or not recorded. Equipments can be expensive for small scales. Thank you.